is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. Thy word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path.
First reading. A reading from the first book of Samuel, chapter 1, verses 20 to 22 and 24 to 28. In due time, Hannah conceived and bore a son. She named him Samuel, for she said, I have asked him of the Lord. The man Elkanah and all his household went up to offer to the Lord the yearly sacrifice and to pay his vow. But Hannah did not go up, for she said to her husband, As soon as the child is weaned, I will bring him, that he may appear in the presence of the Lord, and remain there forever. I will offer him as a Nazirite for all time. When she had weaned him, she took him up with her, along with a 3-year-old bull, an ephah of flour, and a skin of wine. She brought him to the house of the Lord at Shiloh, and the child was young. Then they slaughtered the bull, and they brought the child to Eli. And she said, O my Lord, as you live, my Lord, I am the woman who was standing here in your presence, praying to the Lord. For this child I prayed, and the Lord has granted me the petition that I made to him. Therefore I have lent him to the Lord. As long as he lives, he is given to the Lord. She left him there for the Lord. This is the word of the Lord.
Second reading. A reading from the first letter of John, chapter 3, verses 1 to 2 and 21 to 24. See what love the Father has given us, that we should be called children of God, and that is what we are. The reason the world does not know us is that it did not know Him. Beloved, we are God's children now. What we will be has not yet been revealed. What we do know is this: when He is revealed, we will be like Him, for we will see Him as He is. Beloved, if our hearts do not condemn us, we have boldness before God, and we receive from Him whatever we ask. Because we obey His commandments and do what pleases Him, and this is His commandment, that we should believe in the name of His Son, Jesus Christ, and love one another, just as He has commanded us. All who obey His commandments abide in Him, and He abides in them. And by this we know that He abides in us, by the Spirit that He has given us. This is the word of the Lord.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke, chapter 2, verses 41 to 52. Now every year his parents went to Jerusalem for the festival of the Passover. And when he was 12 years old, they went up as usual for the festival. When the festival was ended and they started to return, the boy Jesus stayed behind in Jerusalem, but his parents did not know it. Assuming that he was in the group of travelers, they went a day's journey. Then they started to look for him among their relatives and friends. When they did not find him, they returned to Jerusalem to search for him. After 3 days, they found him in the temple, sitting among the teachers, listening to them and asking them questions. And all who heard him were amazed at his understanding and his answers. When his parents saw him, they were astonished. And his mother said to him, Child, why have you treated us like this? Look, your father and I have been searching for you in great anxiety. He said to them, Why were you searching for me? Did you not know that I must be in my father's house? But they did not understand what he said to them. Then he went down with them and came to Nazareth, and was obedient to them. His mother treasured all these things in her heart. And Jesus increased in wisdom and in years, and in divine and human favor. The Gospel of the Lord.
My dear friends in Jesus Christ, Blessed Virgin Mary and Saint Joseph respected Jewish tradition. Even though they were chosen to become the parents of Jesus, they respected Jewish tradition. And that is why in today's Gospel we see Blessed Virgin Mary together with Saint Joseph brought child Jesus to be dedicated to Jerusalem temple as it is prescribed in Mosaic law. And they were not overconfident about themselves. They were not complacent. On the contrary, they were faithful to Jewish tradition. My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, even Jesus was faithful to Jewish tradition. He was also present in Jerusalem temple together with his disciples to celebrate Jewish festivals like Passover, Feast of Tabernacle, and Feast of Pentecost. Therefore, the Holy Family respected Jewish tradition. Dear friends in Jesus Christ, in our case, we tend to take tradition for granted. Sometimes we tend to think that tradition is something old and there is nothing to do. The tradition has nothing to do with our faith. Dear friends in Jesus Christ, we must remember that certain religious values and certain religious teachings are contained in our Catholic tradition. Therefore, we cannot do away with Catholic tradition. Therefore, let us teach our younger generation and our children to respect the tradition and to follow the tradition. Dear friends, in Jesus Christ, in today's Gospel, we see child Jesus is lost in Jerusalem temple. And it is surprised to see that child Jesus is lost in Jerusalem temple because Saint Joseph and Blessed Virgin Mary, they were looking after Jesus just like they were looking after their own lives. Now, what really happened in the case of Jesus being lost in Jerusalem temple? Dear friends, in Jesus Christ, it was a custom among the Jews that once the festival is over, the male party, the husbands, they used to leave Jerusalem temple immediately after the feast. Whereas the female party, the mothers, they used to stay in Jerusalem temple for some more days. Now, Blessed Virgin Mary, she thought that Jesus has already left with his father. And in the case of Saint Joseph, he thought that Jesus might have stayed with her mother. My dear friends in Jesus Christ, that is why none of them knew that Jesus has stayed in Jerusalem temple. But when they reached their home, then only they came to know that Jesus is not among themselves. Dear friends in Jesus Christ, when they came to know that Jesus has not returned to Nazareth, they immediately went to Jerusalem temple in looking for child Jesus. That shows that they were looking after Jesus and they loved Jesus very much. Dear friends in Jesus Christ, even in our lives, our children, they used to leave parents for certain reasons, sometimes due to their addictions and sometimes due to some of the conflicts that take place in families. They leave parents. When children leave parents, when children are lost, it is the duty of the parents to go in looking for them. Sometimes parents tend to think that if he left us, it is up to him to return to us and we would wait and see whether he will return. But today, Saint Joseph as well as Blessed Virgin Mary says, no, we must take one step back and we must go in looking for our lost children. Therefore, dear friends in Jesus Christ, let us pay an extra attention for the children who have separated from our families. Let us go in looking for them and let us show them our love and let us bring them to our families once again. Amen.